Hi guys, I'm Terry Grammar from terrygrammar.com. Welcome back to yet another video where we'll be continuing with this first website application. As you can see guys, we are almost there to this website here, just because we can now retrieve this image from the database and needed to work with Python to retrieve that image and set it in some kind of display here, and then work with CSS to make it look more nice. Let's just get started here. Go here. Right, in here we just have to import this from django dot from my site app dot models import home image. All right, after importing home image, then to retrieve all information we have stored in the database, you just have to write this name of this class, home images dot objects dot o. So you just have to store this information in obj. It goes to this one, this variable obj. So right, we now need to make some kind of a context for storing our dictionary. So let's say context here, context is equals to, and write the port info, then write obj. All right, so all the information in this class will be stored in this dictionary, and we are ready to pass it to the home template. So here I just have to copy this context and then remove this one. I think that is why there was an error here. Just have to copy this, paste it here, right, save here, save here, save here. We have an error here. All right, because for these brackets you have to use these ones. Remove this. Okay, paste it here. Okay, the error is gone. So let's go to our home template here. We now need to do some designs here so that we can grab some information from this dictionary and put it in our designs here. So just have to remove this, write something like this, div text here, plus card body, md6 here. This size, I think it's good for me. Then offset md3 so that it will go at the center. So far, we also need a for loop out here. So let's just copy this and say for portfolio info here, or changing this variable in, just do this and info and for. All right, then paste these ones inside here. For p info in, what did I actually say here? Port info and portfolio info. We need an image here. So img, boom. So in here we put these brackets and write, get this variable, put it in here, dot image variable in our modules dot URL. So with this code we should get our image, and then we also need let's run and see. Now running, let's see what is it displaying here. Right, boom, we now have our image here. want to make it look more nice here and have that text displayed over here. So let's come back here. Let's put that text here. An A tag. A tag p info dot title. And now I have the text. Or let me just put a space here, Biara, so that it won't be close to the nav bar, and I think and here also, so that there will be a space between these two. We also need a border for this image. Let's say style. This is now CSS, more of CSS. So border, let's say 5 pixels solid. Then color purple. Then we also need to include let's say border radius. Our border radius will make it 50 pixels. Save. Let's go and see. Boom. Yeah, it's looking better, but our border does not have a round shape. And oh, look at our text here. It's not in the right shape here, but we are almost there right now. Border radius is border radius here. Alright, I think it's okay right now. We now need to work on our A tag here. Need class, say btn dark for black, and we also need to style it. So let's write this style border again. Let's just copy this one. Alright, I think it's okay right now. I think right here we just put just have to put black here. Okay, black. So let's run and see. Yeah, it's getting better and better and better. Let's finalize it. We go here, M6, it's too big, I think. M5 here. Then as for this, we have to copy this one. Want to put this mark tag here so that there will be some behavior. So as for behavior, it's slide, and I want to slide it to slide up. Want it to slide 1. So our loop will be 1. Alright, let's run again. Boom. It's not yet on the center this, but there we are. It's kind of different in terms of size here. Let me just go back to the code and see what we have missed here. Okay, I just have to copy this and write h3 here, and then paste inside. Then save this, and of course go back to our main. I just want to put the div tag in the container. Let's see for now. Boom. Yes, now better. Just want to put these tags in the container. So I run div, then class container. Alright, I think I'm done right now. Boom. Now you can see that the size is now good, and it's now similar to this, although this one is kind of too big, but there we are. So now the same here. Piece of cake, guys. See you in the next video.